Damn, she with the vibes on the low. Let's go. Swear with the dough, she a go. Bitch, I got straight to the point like a boat. I'm splitting my power, my brothers for show. Break down the wall for going through the door. Guess I got paper, but I want some more. You niggas ain't ready, I'm always on cold. You niggas ain't 10 toes. Ho, you folded. Slice off your head with a sword for the throne. Watch how you speak to me, correct your tone. Y'all must have forgot I'm on my fucking cone. Been that dude. The fuck are you telling me, bitch? I burn up the boot. Yes, I got hella heat. Might take your soul with all these fucking melodies. Oh shit, sonic boom, coming through. Right at you, losing screws, little fools, breaking rules, nothing new. Treat the food like my muse. Yeah, she thick, like the view, like my hoes coming too. She must be a musician, she must play flute. Hot with the flow, I'm a problem, little nigga. Hear the body, look, I'm so tired of niggas. I don't really see eye to eye with these little niggas on beats. I don't pay no mind, I leave them finished. YOG, yes, I'm a motherfucking menace. I'm deep in her mouth like a motherfucking dentist. She serving me love like we both playing tennis, but I'm a fuck boy, I don't know if she get it. I'm on live, making vibes come alive. I'm on side every night. Niggas lie, they ain't fire. Yeah, they fried like some fries. I could make them make my side. Look, I'm too damn in tune. I'm that nigga, I'm the dude. Bitch, I'm sicker than the flu. Yes, I search, but don't rescue. Oh, you thought I come get you with the sauce and Jimmy Choo. Change your score and leave them fuming.